I want to remind you that this is a co-requisite course with BASM 0053 and DMAT 0305. The course material for BASM is already in ALEX for DMAT 0305. You do not have to do any extra work for the BASM course. Your grade for BASM will be based entirely on the work done in DMAT 0305. At the end of the semester, as long as you show mastery of 203 topics or more on CKC4, you will earn credit for the BASM course. You should be working on your week 1 topics, which are due Sunday, January 23rd at 11:59 p.m. I'd like to leave you with some tips for success in the course. 1, read all emails I send. Even if the information seems repetitive, please read each email in its entirety. 2, keep notes in a spiral notebook or binder. Write down the name of each topic, show all of the work for future reference, and make note of your work for progress knowledge checks. You might also find it helpful to make a list of formulas that you use often in the course. You can use your notes on CKCs. 3, work a little each day, rather than concentrate your work on 1 or 2 days each week. Even if you are ahead in the course, keep working. Number 4, learn or master all topics each week. Don't fall behind in any week because it can have a snowball effect and impact the amount of work necessary in future weeks to be successful. If you fall behind, do your best to complete the next week early so you can go back and work on topics that you might have missed. And 5, ask for help. If you need help, please ask sooner than later. Use the resources in ALEX. Utilize the online tutoring through the Collaborative Learning Center, or contact me. Hope these tips help. And that's all for today.